If you're feeling stuck in your 9 to 5 and you want to find a way to escape, then I'm going to show you the two different options that you have in front of you. You can go the first option, which is actually the route that I took, and it's the slow option. It takes a little bit longer and it's a bit more hard work, but it is doable. So I'll talk you through exactly what I did. And then I'm going to talk to option number 2, which is actually the shortcut. And it's better than the way I did it. So I'm going to share the two options with you in this video. And that's going to help you get started with your own escape plan. Before we get into how I escaped my 9 to 5, let me explain to you what kind of situation I was in. Because if you're feeling stuck in your 9 to 5 and you really want to find a way to escape, then you're feeling exactly like I used to feel when I was stuck in my corporate job. I was working as an insurance broker in those boring cubicles that feel like you're stuck in this gray, boring, dull environment where it's the same thing every single day. There's nothing interesting. It becomes bland and boring, and it just feels like it's draining all of the energy out of you. If you're feeling like that, then listen up, because I've got some gems to share with you in this video that can help you get started with a game plan for you to escape. And then I'm also going to share the shortcut so you can do it a little bit quicker than I did. So there I was, stuck in my boring cubicle, trying to work out how I can escape this. And as we all do, we start searching on YouTube and looking for what other people are doing. And that's where I found the FIRE movement, the saving movement of, hey, you need to save as much of your salary as you can, and that's going to help you escape. And I can tell you, it is hard work. I was trying to save 40 to 50% of my salary, living well below my means, eating peanut butter on bread for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, drinking Rick coffee. And for those of you on the other side of the pond that aren't from South Africa, that's like the cheapest coffee you can find, and it's orange, and it just tastes terrible. But that's what I had to live on. I was working 14, 15-hour days at my job, getting home too tired to even think about anything else. And I was grinding away, saving as much as I could every single month. And if I had actually stuck to my target of saving 50% of my income, it would have only taken me a year. But it actually took me 3 years. 3 years to save a year's worth of living expenses. So at the current level that I was living, I was being Scrooge McDuck and living very frugally, very, very low expenses, but I still needed a year's worth of living expenses to give myself the chance to go out and start my YouTube channel and build an income and work out how all this stuff works. Because back then I had no clue what to do or how to build a business or how to actually monetize my YouTube channel. So I thought, yeah, a year would be more than enough to build a business and get income and launch everything that I needed in order to live my dream life and escape the 9 to 5 and never have to work for a boss ever again. Boy, was I wrong. It took so much hard work to scrape together that savings because I wasn't earning a lot. I was working really, really hard, and all my friends were going on amazing holidays and buying these cool cars and living the life while I was sitting, scrounging together a few cents and rands wherever I could. I would not advise what I did as the best option to help you escape your 9 to 5. There's a second option that I want to tell you about. And this is what I've learned after 5 years of escaping my 9 to 5. It took so many failures, and I don't want you to have to go through all of those failures. I want you to learn from what I've learned and take the shortcut to accelerate your escape from your 9 to 5 so that you can grow your YouTube channel and monetize your YouTube channel. And the shortcut that is going to get you there is using leverage. Now, how does leverage really work on YouTube? Well, it's when you digitize your knowledge. So we take your experience or something that you're interested in or something that you have achieved in your life, and we digitize that to help other people fast track. And my example is the best example. So I worked out how YouTube works, how to monetize on YouTube, how to create digital courses. And then I digitize that in a video format on my YouTube channel and inside our YouTube community for all the new YouTubers so that they can access that at any time. I don't have to be there to teach them and show them the steps and principles that they need in order to grow and build a YouTube channel and monetize it. All I do is I digitize everything that I know into simple, easy to follow steps and procedures and workflows that they can access 24/7, 365. Think of each video as a little employee that you've created in your business that works for you every single day and doesn't get tired and doesn't get burnout and doesn't need any days off. They just keep working 24/7. And that's the true power of digital products and leverage on YouTube and digitizing your voice and your knowledge in your YouTube videos. That's going to help you shortcut your escape from the 9 to 5. And then all it is a numbers game. If you can make one sale for $10, all you need to do is work out, if I made one sale for $10 and my video got 100 views, what do I need to do to make that video better so it gets 1,000 views and I make 10 sales? So it gets 10,000 views and I make 100 sales. So it gets 100,000 views. So I make 10,000 sales. Simple, easy math. And that's all it is. It's a numbers game. As you produce better quality, as you deliver more value in the digital videos and the leverage that you are creating, people are more willing to pay you. And as long as you deliver value and people get value from your courses and your videos, then people will be more than happy to pay you. And that's how you can shortcut your escape from the 9 to 5. Work out what your number is. How much money do I need in the bank? And how much money do I need every month to be earning to feel comfortable that my business on YouTube is going to make more money than I can make in my 9 to 5? That is your escape velocity. That is how you shortcut your escape. You start working on YouTube as a side hustle. Keep your job. Don't quit your job like me, because I can tell you right now, it took me longer than a year to figure it out. Actually took me 3 years. So I had to scrape and grind for another 2 years to do freelance work and to work on the side to keep the business going and eventually reach that escape velocity. You can do that in less time if you keep your day job, so you keep earning your salary, and work after hours on your side hustle, building your YouTube channel, just like Des and Joe and Nick and Thomas are all doing inside our YouTube community. If you want to find out more about our community and accountability and the cool shortcuts and steps and processes and templates that we give you inside the community, then I'll leave a link for you down below. It's a great community, and it's so good to surround yourself with other people that are doing what you are doing, that are making the sacrifices that you need to make in order to grow a YouTube channel and monetize it. That's the best place for you to be, because as you are around people that have high standards, that are making videos every single week, that are publishing on their channel, that are creating the kind of digital products that are going to make sales for them, those are the people we want to get you around. So come and join us inside the community. And if you have any questions about escaping the 9 to 5, if you're feeling a little bit fearful or unsure of doing it, then leave me a comment down below and we can connect and I can help you through this journey, because I'm here to help you and support you. I just want more people to discover how powerful YouTube is and how it can help you build your dream life where you can be your own boss, where you can escape that dull, boring, life-draining cubicle that we don't want to be in. You don't have to settle in life. You can create and build a life of your dreams. And it's possible because I know I've done it, and I want to help you find that dream life and build it for yourself. It's not easy. We need to put some hard work in, but I know you've got it inside you. I know you can do it. And if you learn from my failures and lessons, you can do it even quicker than I did. So if you're ready to get started with the first step of building your YouTube channel, then watch this video here where it'll help you find the perfect profitable niche to monetize your YouTube channel.